Before we met Tom in Marketshare West, we were marketing ourselves just through word of mouth. We had no formal brochure, advertising, no sales personnel. We had been in business for well over 40 years at that point, and just through word of mouth and our own work that we put out, we were able to attract enough customers to always have enough work for our shop. Marketshare West did two things for our company. First of all, because we never had a brochure that was anything close to what we actually did, it allowed us to show our existing customers that we were keeping up with the times and the technology that was available for us and therefore available to them, so we could machine better parts faster and cheaper for them. So it gave them a real opening into why they should continue to do business with us. And then as we started to make a sales effort, it offered us the materials to approach new customers with. We redid our stationery with new logos with Marketshare West and our new business cards, which showed us again as a high-tech manufacturing company instead of a stodgy tool and die shop. When you're approaching new customers and they're typically Fortune 500 defense contractors, you can't knock on the door without at least having a website. The first thing they want to do when you first contact them is see your website. So we had a website to offer them. Not only was it just a website to offer them, but it was a powerful website that did a very thorough job of explaining what we did and what services we could provide them. Our existing customers got to understand that we weren't just a tool and die shop. We did tooling, we did some die work, but we also did prototype machining and production machining as well. So we were able to diversify ourselves within our existing customer base and then also bring that broad array of services to new customers. We've experienced some great results from Marketshare West. We have increased our sales from $1.5 million to $4 million a year, but the real beauty of what we've done is we have diversified our customer base. We had 80% of our work coming from one customer at the time I met Marketshare West, and we now have a pretty good split of about 15%. No more than 15% of our work comes from any one customer. The thing I like most about Tom and Marketshare West is they did what they said they were going to do from the beginning. You never had to wonder if the deliverables were going to be there. They were always there when Tom said they were going to be, and they always exceeded expectations. We have chosen as a company not to fish downstream. We want our customer base to continue to be Fortune 500 manufacturing and defense contractors. And the materials and advice that we got from Tom and Marketshare West allow us to market ourselves to those kind of clients.